your girl Montecia, but you can call me Pooh. So today I'm coming with y'all a wig. I just want to show y'all how I install my wigs, how I started installing my wigs. I don't know if y'all ever took the chance to see, but in my earlier videos, if you go all the way down, you'll see I was doing like wig reviews and stuff like that. So I kind of like wanted to get back on that train with my channel. That's why you see me posting like different videos, because I want to see what you guys respond to the most. And once I see what you guys respond to the most, that's what I'll mainly be doing on my channel. From Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below for the company and the wig. And it's also not a sponsored video, so don't think that I'm trying to give y'all to run around. This is not sponsored, honey. This is hair that I bought with my own money, period. So out of the packaging, they gave me, of course, the wig, and then a wig cap. And y'all, it surprised me because, honey, I don't even have to like put the stuff on it, because we're gonna do a full install, but I'm not gonna do the ball cap method because I just feel like that's a waste of time when I can just like, I don't feel like doing all this. Bleach the knots, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm done drying everything and I'm about to install it. So let's go. 20 inches long. It's body wave, and I got the 4x4 closure lace front because I really don't care for frontals. If I'm just being all the way real with you, I will take a closure any day. What we're working with the parting space, we're about to bleach all of that and get this looking natural. This is in 1B, I believe. So yeah, y'all change your plans because that shit was too light. That was too light, and I don't know where my developer is, so I couldn't bleach the knots. So you know what I did? I did a TikTok hack. I got some 70% alcohol, and I used my foundation shade, and I mixed it up in this spray bottle, and honey, it tinted the lace. Now I'm gonna dry it with my blow dryer. finished look. As you guys can see, it came out really pretty. I love the way it looks. I just did a little something with my baby hairs at the top, so yeah, don't say nothing. I tried to curl it or whatever, since it's body wave hair. I tried to curl it, but the curls came out really pretty, but they fell so fast. So I guess that's a con with this hair. It doesn't really hold curls like that. It doesn't shed. But of course, if you cut the lace of a wig, bleach the lace, do any kind of chemical, anything to weave or a wig, you will get shedding. So don't think that there will be absolutely no shedding. So, but with this hair, it has handled the process so well and all that. But other than that, you know, it was okay. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys feel about my videos. Notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I post. And yeah, I love y'all. Bye.